Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our install, upgrade, uninstall server drivers plugin series, in this video we are going to discuss about how to install, verify, run, and uninstall the one of the APM related tool called APM installer. Okay, so I'll demonstrate it. So how to install this APM installer, and after installation we will verify it is installed or not, and then we run this APM installer and we will uninstall the APM installer. Okay, so these all four commands we are going to look into it. Okay, first of all, we understand what exactly this APM installer. See, APM installer is a official command line utility from the APM that helps you install the APM drivers and plugins easily in the APM 2.x. Okay, see, you may have seen in lot of softwares nowadays we have the installer. Okay, so they're providing the installers to install the software properly without any file missing. So same concept they are introduced in the introduced for the APM. That is the APM installer, and this is a part of the APM ecosystem called tools. Okay, already we discussed about the APM ecosystem, right? So there we have one concept called tools. Okay, this APM installer comes under the tools. Okay, and this is not official tool from the APM. Okay, and it comes into the others tool category. Okay, this is all about the APM installer. Okay, and we see the first command we are to see is to how to install the APM installer. Okay, so you can install it globally by using this below command. Okay, the first I'll open the command prompt. Okay, and I'll run this to verify the APM installer is installed or not. Okay, so APM to first we verify it. Okay, for verifying the APM installer, we use appium-installer. Okay, space double hyphen help. So this command used to verify that APM installer is installed or not. Okay, click. It says appium-installer is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, because the APM installer will not install it. Okay, now we'll install the APM installer. Okay, so npm. So we have to use the command called npm. So this is the command npm install -g. -g means global and name of the this tool, that is the appium-installer. Okay, npm install -g, that is global appium-installer. Okay, name of the tool, that is. Click on enter. So maximize it, click on enter. So it has download the required files. It takes few seconds here. If we see the log, okay, so installation process is going on. So we'll wait for the few seconds so that our installation of APM install is done. Yes. So installation is going on. Yeah, it says added 689 packages in 42 seconds. Okay, and now the APM installer is installed in our system. Okay, now we run the same command, that is appium-installer space help. Okay, so when we run initially, it says APM installer is not recognized. Okay, now once again I run this command here. Okay, so appium-installer space double hyphen help. See, it says it has given the line here. See, hello, APM user, select the option. So it has provided options. See, as I told, right, this APM installer is very useful to install the list of plugins and the drivers. Okay. Otherwise, you need to use the command called appium install, appium drivers install. We need to give the name of the driver, right? Normally, we have seen that one, how to do that one. So, if you want to install drivers, we had to use a command called appium space driver install the name of the driver. The same with the plugin, appium space plugin space install and the space we had to give the name of the plugin. So, here instead of installing using the command, directly it will install by using these options here. You say when I say appium-installer double hyphen help, it has say hello appium user and select the option. So it says install appium server, drivers, plugin, run appium doctor, launch, emulator, simulator, exit. So all this we can do it from this appium installer. Okay, so I want to exit now. Okay, let's come exit. Okay, so it has a exiting appium installer. Okay, see, I am going to create a separate playlist for this appium installer, and there I will explain each and every step, how to install drivers, how to install plugins, how to run the appium server. So all the options which are under this appium installer, I am going to explain each and every option. Okay, in detail. Okay, now for this video, we are just concentrating on how to install, how to verify, and how to run, and how to uninstall. Okay, so we have seen two options here. Now we have to run it. Okay, so for running the appium installer, just say appium hyphen installer. That's it. Okay, click on enter. Now appium installer is ran. Okay, and we have the options. We have select here from the arrow. Okay, what are the options we choose? It will run. Okay, now I want to exit once again. I don't want to run any options here. So this is how we can able to run. See, if you want to install appium plugin, click on the here. If we want to install the drivers, install server. So all this thing you do it. Okay, so easy to maintain. Okay, all the required drivers and plugin. It's very handy here. Okay, and I want to exit now. Click on exit. Okay, so we have seen how to install, how to verify, and how to run the appium install. Now the next step is to uninstall here. Okay, so appium. So you had to use npm space. We had to use install. Right? We had to use install. Okay, now we had to uninstall it. So we had to use uninstall space hyphen g and name of the tool, that is the appium installer. Okay, that's it. If we run this command, it will uninstall the appium installer. Okay, and I'll go to make a separate playlist explaining the each and every option under the appium installer or how can you able to install drivers and plugins. So for this video, we're just concentrating on install, verify, run, and uninstall the appium installer tool. Okay, so this is all about this video. So if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.